This project might be tricky. It's bigger than anything I've built before. It folds, it's got moving parts, and if I get any of those wrong, there's a fair chance this whole thing could end up on the firewood pile. Well, not the firewood pile. You know me. Upcycled into something else. I'm starting with a pile of cedar fence posts. Hopefully, they'll end up as an outdoor dining table.
Well, I just made such a mess cutting this down. My table saw isn't the biggest table saw in the world, but it managed it. These posts are 100mm thick, and I want them to be 50mm thick for what I'm building. Turns out actually they're a little bit damp inside. I mean, you can't really tell from here, but they're a little bit damp inside. Oh well, for you, this video is just going to carry on, but for me, I'm going to wait weeks and weeks for this to dry.
I've never built anything quite like this before. There are a lot more ways that this can go wrong than go right. And I think that's true of most things worth doing, actually. You get halfway through, look at the mess you've made, and believe me, this build is a messy one, and start wondering whether you were ever capable of pulling it off in the first place. I've done that more times than I can remember. I start with an idea, whole heap of doubt, and the hardest part for me is working out where to begin. Then confidence creeps in, possibly misplaced, and if I'm lucky, it slowly starts to look like I knew what I was doing all along. I find I have the most fun in the workshop when I stop pretending that I know exactly what I'm doing and start figuring things out. So, this build turned out to be a bit too ambitious for one video. Before everything gets bolted and screwed together, here I'm sanding and protecting the parts that won't be easy to reach afterwards. And I'm calling it here. Next time, we'll find out whether everything actually fits together, or whether I've just spent the last few days chopping up fence posts for no reason. If you'd like to see how it turns out, it would be great to have you along. And I'll see you in part 2.